In this video, we will share our experience of participating at Fanshoppi Football Market, first ever edition in Amsterdam.
Stunner in Amsterdam. Hello, hello. The lineup that you managed to assemble is like a Glastonbury type of lineup. We are going to Amsterdam, Fanshoppi Football Market. It's 5 hours before our flight, which in our book means that it's time to pack our suitcases.
Let's do it.
Let's do that. No, yes, Zamorano for sure.
Okay.
Shearer, no, enough of Shearer. Rivaldo, yes. Question mark.
Question mark.
Hopefully it doesn't explode in the airport. Oh, okay, this one is heavier than that one. Cut! Made it, and still 2 hours. Still 2 hours in store, as per usual.
The first month in a row.
Wanna see a magic trick? It's alright. Give me one. Thank you.
Stunner in Amsterdam.
So one of the reasons why we came to Amsterdam is to sell vintage football shirts, but we forgot to bring card reader machine, bags, and price tags. So let's see if we can remedy the situation and find all of the aforementioned things in Amsterdam. Out of 3. Check.
3 out of 3. We found a card reader.
Problem solved. Perfect day.
Okay. Located in the heart of Amsterdam North, Studio Weeman is a former Mercedes garage transformed into a unique and flexible venue. Yay!
Looking at the shirts around me, I definitely can tell that I'm gonna spend more money than we're gonna earn. I'm sorry. Rail number 1 done. Damian, working hard. I said it about Damian, not you. Rail 2 in progress. Okay, so we're all set.
What time is it?
It's 11:45. Took us 45 minutes to set. Oh no, it took us 2 hours to set up. Whoa, we arrived at 10 a.m. Apparently there's a queue outside. Look at that.
The doors opened at midday and it got very busy from the start. There were over a dozen sellers with different things to offer. Modern shirts, 90s classics, custom designs, illustrations, bootleg gems and other flashy merchandise.
Our stall was right next to our good friend Damien from 90 Brussels. You might remember him from our Luxembourg vlog. Also, after years of exchanging messages on Instagram, we finally got a chance to meet Josh from A Store Like 94 and Wally from The Third Kid. Give these guys a follow, they are true legends of the game. First sale, ka-ching! 3 kid shirts.
Okay, extremely busy first hour. A lot of people here, and but now they're just scrolling around, like just looking around and not buying yet. But I can understand that. I would do the same. I think they just need a couple of drinks at the bar, and they will be coming back for sure. We have our first proper sale. Customer just returned, actually with the beer, as I said, and bought a Totti shirt.
To be honest, we were surprised with the turnout, but no wonder really, because the atmosphere was amazing. Later on, we will speak with the organizers of Fanshoppi Football Market, so watch this video until the end to find out what struggles they had to face preparing this event.
Not the player you think.
The famous Ronaldo.
Look at this air freshener I got.
Ooh. Go on.
Stunner in Amsterdam.
So the end of day one, we sold 7 shirts.
Sold 7 shirts, met some people, hung out with Damien, who just bought himself this awesome air freshener. Congratulations. Now we're approaching my favorite part of the day one, which is having drinks. Damien wants to show off some more. So before we jump straight into day 2, let's first take a walk around Amsterdam and discover some places. So whenever we arrive to the new city, the morning after is usually my most favorite time, but we are cursed in that regard because we can spend hours looking for the perfect breakfast place. Hours, literally. To the point when we become so irritated with the fact that we cannot find this perfect breakfast place that there is no longer need for breakfast because it's dinner time and beer time and Aperol Spritz time. You know? Are you guys the same? Leave your breakfast routine in a new city in the comment section below.
We just found this place. Good coffee here. We will definitely come back for some food.
Finally found some breakfast. Looks like it was worth the wait.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock in the afternoon. Something for A Store. 75 euros, no lace, original. This one I'm definitely taking. Ooh la la! Hello, hello. 82. OG long sleeve. Must take. Found the gem I was looking for my entire life. Look at that beauty. Yes, I'm taking it. No, I'm not. Lena found a complete Undertaker look. Dong. Let me unbutton my coat because I found some proper heat. Oh wow! What the fuck? It's like early David James, maybe even earlier. It's pretty heavily bubbled, but all the elements are mint. Check it out.
Oh yeah, it is heavily bubbled.
Yeah, but still it's fixable, I think. And it costs 32.
It's very unusual, but it's very nice. Okay, looks like we found quite a few cool places. The full list of standard recommendations will be in the description box below, so check it out.
Day 2, going so far so good. The weather is absolutely, love it.
Amazing. Aside from shirts, there were other activities for visitors to enjoy. Pro Evolution 6 tournament, football quiz, match screenings and a bar to grab a bite and a Heineken. Guys are showing the Ajax match.
Such a cool event. Very well organized. Super. It's actually hard to believe that it's their first attempt to do an event of such magnitude here in Amsterdam. Now let's speak to Daan and Jasper, the organizers of Fanshoppi Football Market. So we're here with Daan and Jasper, the organizers of Fanshoppi Football Market. And what we really want to know, first of all, is if you guys could take us through the entire path of how this first became an idea and then turned into reality. Could you take us step by step? Who came up with the concept and who were your biggest inspirations to turn it into the real life?
Yeah, well, we started the shop out of like scrolling on Vinted and finding all these weird like posters and jewels and weird stuff, and then we had so much that we started like, why not selling some of it? So that evolved into Fanshoppi, and then last summer I was at the pop-up of some other store. There were a lot of people, and I was thinking, why not bring everyone together under one roof and make it like one big football weekend. And that turned out into Fanshoppi Football Market.
Yeah, Daan came up with the idea in the end. I think I immediately thought like, yeah, that's it, because you want like a lot of stuff you want to feel, you see in real life, and it's a really good opportunity to get to know everyone, like all the other sellers, and talk to each other and learn from each other. And you're not competitors, but everyone's sort of helping each other out.
First of all, guys, compliments on the organization. It's extremely very well organized.
Huge thanks to Studio Wieman, the location, and Erik, who helped us out. He's from the location. He helped us out a lot with the organization. So shout out to him too.
And the lineup that you managed to assemble is like a Glastonbury type of lineup, because you got all the celebrities that we are aware about. You know, we are aware about those
you
people.
are as well.
Get out of town. And speaking about struggles, what were the biggest struggles for you to organize this event?
Well, because it was the first, it took some time to convince people, like explain the idea, people to come here and get a stall. Nobody really knew how it was going to be, so it took, for some people, it took some convincing on our side to get them here.
This space is really big, and it's also not cheap to rent. So I was quite anxious about, are there like enough shops that want to stand here, but also are there enough people for the shops to sell the shirts to.
Right.
Like my nightmare was that we got all these cool people here and nobody would attend. So when on Saturday there was this line around the corner, and then that was my moment of, okay, I think it's happening, and it's happening in a good way now.
Yeah. Well,
So,
it did.
yeah, and Erik, he's the man with all the practical things, like how many shirts people have, like the racks and all the practical stuff. We don't know really much about that, so he helped us out with everything. Yeah.
Imagine like some other two guys or girls from another country are watching this video and they're like, fuck, I want to do something like that in my country, in my city. What would be your number one advice?
Just do it. No, really, do it. Like,
Yeah, do it and make it a fun thing. Like like we have this old Pro Evolution soccer and like this auction and some other stuff going on. Make it a fun thing as well.
I think it's also a good thing that like the football shirts is the main thing, but we, for example, we don't do any football shirts.
Yeah, right.
Like we do all the bootleg things and the posters and like shoes and masks and whatever. And I think that's also really important, that it's like more than only the regular football shirt, you know. Like Joyce from a store like 94, he does some fun, crazy stuff also. I think that's good for the market, that is something for everyone.
Now that we are approaching the end of day 2, do you think it has the potential of maybe becoming like an annual thing?
Yeah, maybe.
We're already brainstorming about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So this is definitely not the last.
Yes, that's what we want to hear. Well,
you're coming as well. Again.
absolutely, you can count on us. We're very easy to pick up. Guys, thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah,
Thank
really
you.
nice to have you.
Thank you.
Last hour of day 2, we sold 13 shirts.
I said we were gonna sell 12. Polina said we were gonna sell 11. We sold 13.
You won.
Well, technically, no, the last one. We did win at the same time because we had the most amazing time. Thank you to Daan and Jasper for having us. We really wish that it becomes an annual thing after all, because it has a lot of potential. And in case you're watching it from elsewhere and wondering whether it would be a good idea to host something like this in your city,
Please do that.
it would.
It's amazing.
And send us an invite. We will be there to cover it and we will be there to participate. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you guys. Love you.